Hey guys, Gideon here with another video here on the farm. Today I wanted to show you a little bit of the progress that we made with the goat area. As you can see, we have, we have cattle panel attached from that wall. I added a brace in the middle so that it wouldn't bend in the middle. Cattle panel all the way over to this post here, and then I kind of jerry-rigged a wall here with some 2x running across right there. I'm gonna add something else to there just to make it a little more full so that the goats can't really go through there, stick their heads through there. Probably maybe some chicken wire or some more studs or something. And then I attached this pallet to the floor and added another brace behind it up to that beam, and that's nice and solid. And then we have another pallet that I attached some hinges to, and that's our gate. So yeah, that's the outside perimeter, and then this is the inside. Let's see if I can, there we go, wide angle. So we put down some shavings. We're using this old crib, I guess. Emily set the crib up. We're using this as the feeding station. You know, they can stick their lips through here and they can pull hay out. It's really actually a nice idea. So props to Emily for that. Well, yeah, like I said, we put lots of shavings down. We got plenty of shavings left. Got a whole big stack of them over there. Yeah, this is pretty much ready for the goats to come home. They're coming home tomorrow. So Emily, I believe Emily's gonna go pick them up tomorrow. I have to work, unfortunately, but yeah, there was a bunch of insulation bare right here, so I just grabbed some scraps from around the barn from what I had to cover that up. Piece of plywood, another piece of plywood. There was some kind of, it looked like a headboard or something. I don't know what it was, or a drawer or something. But yeah, that's all covered up so the goats won't eat that. Yeah, they got a little window here. Plenty of nice clean shavings. And a nice big barn. Nice little enclosure here. What we do have to do as well is I'm going to put 2 pallets down probably over here, and then a piece of plywood on top, just so they have a place off the shavings if they want to get off it to sleep, or, you know, just to kind of hang out and veg out. So then my other project for right now is this is going to be where they can go out into the, you can see the fence there, the fenced area, and that wraps all the way around. See how there it goes all the way, goes this way, and it goes all the way, I don't know if you can see out there, it's too bright, but it goes all the way over to the corner of the barn over there outside, up, out, and over here. So they'll have plenty of grassy area to feed on, and kind of hang out outside when the weather's nice. And so I'll try to show you a little bit outside. So this is another one of my projects. I'm replacing this door today because this is rotten and falling apart, and obviously that is not a secure doorway. But yeah, so this isn't really the best design where the door is, because it's right where this metal roof is, this steep metal roof. So guess what happens when it snows? All that snow falls right down here in front of the door. So next winter, this winter's pretty much over, but next winter we're gonna have to keep up with shoveling out here so that the goats can come out here and go out in their area. Not that there'll be any grass to eat, but just so they can have some outside time. So there's that replacement door. Doesn't have to be super perfect. I'm gonna add some hook and eye hardware to the top and the bottom, just so we can latch it. Like I said, doesn't have to be perfect. This place isn't weather tight by any means. So yeah, there's gonna be some gappage, but that's all right. We're gonna just make sure that it latches with the hook and eyes, and that'll be good. There, like I said, nothing pretty, but it works. It'll keep the goats in when they're supposed to be in. And goes there. This one goes on kind of tight, which is actually kind of nice. keep it a little more firm. But yeah, I'd live here. Okay, now we're working on the outside portion of the goat's enclosure. As you can see, that's the door over there. Now I'm on the outside of the perimeter. And we just took some of this aluminum hanging wire. We cut off a piece so there was 2 holes. Screwed the top in, bent it over, screwed the bottom in. We did that all the way down every other panel. And that's nice and solid. It's not moving. I'm gonna have to get creative over on the other side though, and I'll show you why. We put this fence up before we had snow, or I think it was maybe I think we put it up when we had a break in the snow and it was warm for a couple days. But as you can see, there's no wood over here. I mean, there is up there, but yeah, we're gonna have to find a way to attach this. So I found this old 6x6 beam in the barn, and I think this will work. Because if I didn't have this, and I didn't attach this to anything, the goats could just slip right out through here. So I'm thinking if I stand this flush up against here, I have some long screws, screw it into the building here, and then it'll kind of be like a corner post. It'll be blocking this hole, and push this up against it and attach that to the post all the way down. What do you guys think? I don't think it's a bad idea. I think it's the only thing we can do, really. There. I don't think that came out too bad at all. That's nice and solid all the way around. Attached it with some nice big 5-inch screws. And that is not going anywhere anytime soon. Sorry, my dog's barking in the back. But she's all right. Yeah, that is nice and firm everywhere. No goat's gonna be squeezing out there. Nice. Very nice. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed seeing me get ready for our goats. There's one thing that I wasn't going to do on camera. That is these 3 pieces of wood right here. This shelf right here isn't going to be here for long. So those pieces of wood I'm going to put some chicken wire over, and that'll be it. The goats will be ready to move in. They got food, they'll have water. Their enclosure is going to be all set. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned a little something. I know I did just by doing it myself. But yeah, we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So have a good day, bub. Yes, yeah.